Following the very tragic Pahalgam attack, many civilians have unfortunately lost their lives. There were 26 tourists who unfortunately lost their lives. But this very place behind me is the very famous Jamia Masjid. And also, the Jamia Masjid, in a very significant gesture of mourning and solidarity, this historic Jamia Masjid observed a minute of silence during the Friday prayers on April 25th. Even Mirwaiz Umar Farooqi, who delivered the sermon, condemned the violence and emphasized the unity, stating that Kashmiris stand shoulder to shoulder with the victims. Also, you can see the visuals also of the Jamia Masjid, which is a very iconic place. This is the entire Jamia Masjid that we are showing you, and you can see everyone coming out also from this very place. Also, they've done their prayers, and after their prayers also they've come out, they're coming out. And also, very importantly, prior to the revocation also of this very Article 370 also in August 2019, the vicinity of Jamia Masjid in Srinagar's Nuata area was frequently epicenter of the unrest. You can see these shops being opened. There are many shops that has been opened itself.
Coming more and more, don't worry.
सर क्या बोल रहे थे, बोलिए।
मैं बोला टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं more and more, don't worry about this.
टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा
आ रहे हैं यार।
हाँ, so you can see there is one person who said that there are many tourists who are coming, and yes, clearly, you see these visuals also. You can see that the situation pre 2019 and post 2019 saw a drastic change. There was enclosure of the Jamia Masjid also for 136 days, which had a long-term effect, has been noticeable decline in the violent incidents. You can see also, sir, tourists काफी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं जामिया मस्जिद में, टूरिस्ट काफी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं।
हाँ, बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं माशाल्लाह। बहुत रश रहता है इधर।
बहुत रश रहता है। तो आप अभी मतलब नमाज पढ़ के आए हो आप?
नमाज मैंने पढ़ी उधर।
आप यहीं के लोकल हो?
मैं यहाँ रानावारी में रहता हूँ।
अच्छा, तो कैसे लग रहा है जब आप देख रहे हो कि टूरिस्ट अभी आ रहा है वापस?
बहुत मजा है।
एक सवाल अगर मैं आपको पूछूं, पहलगाम का जो अटैक हुआ था उसके बाद जामिया मस्जिद ने 2 मिनट का साइलेंस रखा था फ्राइडे जुम्मे के नमाज में।
फर्ज बनता था कि हमारा उनके लिए कुछ करेंगे, कुछ कंडोलेंस मैसेज भेजेंगे। वही जो हमारा
बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है, क्योंकि 2 मिनट का साइलेंस रखा गया था। ये बहुत ही बड़ी एक बात है, क्योंकि आपके जो मिरवैज़ उमर फारूक जी है, उन्होंने 2 मिनट का सरमन रखा था। उन्होंने ये भी बोला था कि कश्मीरी शोल्डर टू शोल्डर विक्टिम्स के साथ कंधे से कंधे मिलके खड़े हैं।
हाँ, सच है, बराबर बताया। हाँ, वो कंडेम इट फ्रॉम मोर कोर ऑफ हार्ट। हाँ, जो एक बात मैं बताऊँ, जो मेहमान होता है वो हमारे को जान से भी प्यारा है। जो
फैमिली मेंबर
जो भी होगा, चाहे हिंदू होगा, मुसलमान, कोई भी होगा, सिख होगा, ईसाई, हम उसको वेलकम करते हैं। हाँ, जो भी होगा। थैंक यू
सर। आपसे भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे, आप यहाँ आए हैं, आप यहीं के लोकल है? अच्छा, तो आप नमाज पढ़ के आए हैं। सर, टूरिस्ट की अगर बात करें, टूरिस्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं आज का क्या सीन है? काफ़ी ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट
अच्छी तरह से आ रहे हैं, सुनने में आया अच्छी तरह आ रही है, अच्छी तरह से आ रही है, आना भी चाहिए।
पहलगाम की अगर बात करें, 2 मिनट का साइलेंस आप जुम्मे के दिन रखा गया था। आपके मिरवैज़ उमर फारूकी जी ने भी कहा था कि कश्मीरी कंधे से कंधे मिलके विक्टिम्स के साथ खड़े हैं, और ये जो अटैक हुआ था इसके अगेंस्ट है। उस पर क्या कहना है आपको सर?
बात उनकी सही है, इंसान इसका कत्ल हो गया, इंसान का कत्ल होने पूरा इंसान का कत्ल है, चाहे मजहब की किसी मजहब से ताल्लुक़ रखे हो, इंसान कत्ल हुआ, इंसान का खून हुआ, नहीं होना चाहिए।
सर, आपसे भी जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, टूरिस्ट की बात करें, टूरिस्ट का कैसा रिसेप्शन आ रहा है? आप यहीं के लोकल है? अच्छा, टूरिस्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ रही है अभी, टूरिस्ट कैसा टूरिस्ट?
वो तो कम हो गया,
थोड़ा कम हुआ है, पर अभी बेहतर है चीज़ें पहले से?
उतना भी कम नहीं हुआ, शुक्र अल्लाह का,
बेहतर है चीज़ें, है ना?
को सच्चाई पता है, वो तो इधर ही है। हाँ।
और सर, अगर मैं पहलगाम की बात करूं, जामिया मस्जिद ने 2 मिनट का जुम्मे के दिन 2 मिनट का साइलेंस भी ऑब्जर्व किया था। ये आपके मिरवैज़ उमर फारूकी ने कहा था कि कश्मीरी जो है कंधे से कंधे मिलके विक्टिम्स के साथ करे, और ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है इसको कंडेम कर रहे। इसको आप कैसे देखते हो?
बिल्कुल सही। देखिए, अगर दुनिया में कहीं भी इंसान मरेगा, वो तो इंसान है, कोई जानवर तो नहीं है। इंसान के मरने का दुख तो हर किसी को होता है, और जो आम सिविलियन मरेंगे तो उसका दुख तो होता ही है। वो बेचारे तो बेगुनाह थे, आम थे, हमारे जैसे, आपके जैसे, इनके जैसे। उन्होंने तो कोई गुनाह नहीं किया था। जिसने भी ऐसा किया है तो बहुत गलत किया है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर हमसे बात करने के लिए। सो यस व्यूअर्स, यू क्लियरली हर्ड द फ्यू पीपल वी स्पोक टू। And they clearly said that yes, the situation becomes better also where tourists are coming. I'll show you the visuals also of the shops also. You can see all these shops being opened itself. And even very importantly, prior to the revocation of Articles 370 also, there was Fridays often witnessed stone pelting incidents immediately after congressional prayers. Even in 2015 there were clashes erupted. But now the situation, you see the landscape after the abrogation of 370, there have been much better. Friday prayers were largely peaceful with only isolated incidents of stone painting were reported, but the situation became better. Even Jamia Masjid remained closed at that point of time, but even there was a resumption of normalcy. You can see shops and businesses also resumed back itself. You can see a lot of shops being opened. You can see many such shops that is outside the masjid also here that is there. And these shops are all open to welcome the people, welcome the tourists itself who have been coming, who want to come itself. And these are these visuals also of the many shops also that is there, and many such shops that are there, that are here. You can see these all shops are welcoming and wanting more and more tourists to come itself. And again, I'd like to show you a glimpse of the Jamia Masjid also, which is a very iconic place, which is a very iconic prayer place also, where tourists would like to come, tourists would like to engage also with them, namaz, with the prayers. You get a lot of locals also coming here. And also Jamia Masjid observed the 2-minute silence also of the Pahalgam attack that had happened in their Friday prayers on 25th itself. So yes, clearly, they were marking this day as as a sad day, where they even observe silence. I'll also show you these shops also personally closely. You can see many such shops that are open here. You see shops of many clothes. You can see this is a shop that is called Fashion Week. There are many such shops of this. Sir, कब से है आपका दुकान, अगर मैं आपसे पूछने का कोशिश करूं? कब से खुला है आपका दुकान?
Since 40 years.
40 years. कैसा रिसेप्शन मिल रहा है अभी? लोग टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, चीजें खरीद रहे हैं?
अच्छा मिल रहा है as usual.
अगर हम सर पहलगाम की बात करें, जामा मस्जिद ने 2 मिनट का साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व किया था, है ना, और ये भी बोला गया था कि कश्मीरी कंधे से कंधे मिलके चलेंगे विफ्टें के साथ, उसको कैसे देखते हो आप सर?
As a human वैसा ही है जैसे आपने सुना.
क्योंकि मिरवेज उमर फारूकी जी ने भी कहा था कि कश्मीरी सारे जो है कंधे से कंधे मिलके साथ है, उसको कैसे देखते हैं?
वो तो है. We are all humans first of all. कोई ह्यूमन को कुछ करता है तो हर कोई कॉन्डेम करना चाहिए. We are humans.
और ये दुकान आपका कितने बजे तक खुलता है और कितने बजे तक खुला रहता है?
From 9 to 8.
9 सुबह मॉर्निंग 9 बजे खुलता है और 8 बजे.
8 बजे.
और अभी अगर आज की बात करें तो टूरिस्ट आपके हिसाब से आ रही है काफी ज्यादा?
अरे
ठीक है सर, बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने. यू कैन सी मेनी सच विजुअल्स आल्सो ऑफ दीज ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप्स आल्सो दैट इज देयर. वी earlier showed you a shop also of boutiques, of clothings also that is there. You can see these many such dry fruits, and even Kashmir is also known for their dry fruits itself. There are many such dry fruits that is here. These shops also, this is also called the vintage Kashmir shop, and there are many such shops also that is here, that is open, that is welcoming the tourists, that is welcoming the people also to come to see and to buy. Because yes, even clearly there was that incident that has jolted Kashmir, but then the locals came together to support and to condemn the very incident itself. Again, I'll also show you these many shops itself that is here. Shop is called the New Shining Star. So, you can see there are many shops. You can see some people also who are coming, they're buying. So you get to see it's a bustling area. These are bustling areas. You can see these tourists also that are here. Maybe they're feeling shy to talk to the camera itself, but you get an idea. You get the reception. You get the amount of people who are here. I'll also be walking you through all these shops that is there. I'll request my camera person to show you closely of all the shops that is opened here. This is another boutique shop that is called Dubai Collection. So there are many such shops here that is welcoming the tourists to come here, that is welcoming the people to come and buy their things. Yes, even this very place, Jamia Masjid, observed 2 minutes silence also, and clearly Mirwaiz Umar Farooqi ji clearly said that the Kashmiris are standing with the victim shoulder to shoulder. You can see many such shops also here. These are these boutique shops. Sir, आपसे पूछने का कोशिश करके अगर हम अंदर आ जाए, आपसे पूछने का ये दुकान कितने साल से है, कितने साल से आपका ये दुकान चल रहा है?
65 ईयर्स से
65 इयर्स।
हाँ
टाइमिंग क्या है दुकान की?
टाइमिंग है 9 to 8।
तो टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, लोग आ रहे हैं खरीदने?
टूरिस्ट को आना चाहिए, कश्मीर डरने की बात ही नहीं है, उनको अपना है।
और सर अगर मैं आपको बात आपसे ये पूछूं कि पहलगाम का जो अटैक हुआ था इसके बाद जामिया मस्जिद ने 2 मिनट का साइलेंस भी ऑब्जर्व किया था फ्राइडे को 25 को। इवन मिरवेज उमर फारूकी जी ने भी कहा था कि सारे कश्मीरी कंधों से कंधे मिलके विक्टिम्स के साथ है। कैसे देखते हो सर आप?
बराबर वही है, विक्टिम के साथ हैं हम सब लोग।
और कैसे देखते हो ये जो अटैक हुआ है, कैसे कंडेम करते हो? क्योंकि उन्होंने
ये क्या है, सियासत कौन सी है, क्या पता है
पर
क्यों?
आप लोगों के साथ हो, लोकल्स के साथ हो, क्योंकि लोकल्स भी आए थे।
पूरे साथ हैं, शाना बशाना, चाहे हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, ईसाई हो, हम एक हैं।
और एक और बार बोल दीजिए, कितने बजे तक खुला होता है आपका दुकान?
8 बजे तक।
और क्या बेचते हो आप?
कपड़ा,
कपड़े क्या क्या है, मतलब क्या क्या?
ब्राइडल वेयर, ब्राइडल
So yes, viewers, we've been speaking to the locals here.
शॉप। आप बोलो इस पे बोर्ड दिखाओ, वेयर का।
I will, sir. Thank you so much. You can see this is the Bridal Hub, which is a very famous shop here, and there are many such shops that is opened also. There are so many people. These shops are welcoming the people to come visit and see these places. You can see another such, clothing shops here. You can see many such people who are coming. You see the beauty of Kashmir here. Jamia Masjid. You can see dry fruits itself, and dry fruits are very famous for Kashmir. Sir, कब से दुकान है आपका? कितना साल हो गया है दुकान खुले?
इस दुकान को मतलब खुले हुए कि कब से ये दुकान है? एक्चुअली ये जो दुकान है मेरे दादा परदादा के ज़माने से है, इसको कम से कम 60 साल होंगे।
सर अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, ये दुकान कितने बजे खुलती है और कितने बजे तक खुला रहता है, और क्या क्या बेचते हो आप?
एक्चुअली वे ओपन दिस अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग 10 o'clock एंड क्लोज इट एट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 8 o'clock।
सर अगर हम पहलगाम की बात करें, जामिया मस्जिद ने 2 मिनट का साइलेंस भी रखा था जुम्मे के दिन फ्राइडे को, और मिरवेज उमर फारूकी जी ने भी कहा था कि कश्मीरी कंधों से कंधे मिलके विक्टिम्स के साथ है, और इन चीज़ को कंडेम करते हैं। कैसे देखते हो सर?
बिल्कुल वही कंडेम, हम भी कंडेम करते हैं, सभी लोग करते हैं। मीर वाइज ने जैसे कहा वो सच बात है। मीर वाइज क्या पूरा कश्मीर उस कंडेम करता है इस बात के लिए कि जो वहाँ पे हुआ है वो गलत हुआ है।
और क्या क्या बेचते हो एक बार हमारे?
एक्चुअली वी डीलिंग ईच काइंड्स ऑफ स्पाइसेस एंड include dry fruits.
Amazing. I think Kashmir is also known for their dry fruits, right?
Yeah, it is very good.
Thank you so much, sir. Speaking to sir, I'll also be requesting you, if you can, maybe I'll ask you, how do you see the perception? Tourist आ रहे हैं, कैसे देख रहे हो आप? अभी टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं यहाँ, कैसा perception है टूरिस्ट का?
If you are going to ask me my opinion, I can say that yeah, there has been a kind of a confusion so far this Pahalgam attack is concerned. But after that, I think everything is on normal. I was coming from bypass expressway from Pulwama this time, and I see there's hustle and bustle, and a lot of tourists are coming this time. There is no fear, no tension. Everything is at normal now.
Even I feel now also I can see there's a lot of bustling here itself. Also I'll ask you, Jamia Masjid also observed the 2-minute silence, and clearly even Mirwaiz Umar Faruqi ji clearly stated that the Kashmiris are, shoulder to shoulder with the victims, and he condemns the very incident that has happened. How do you see on his statement, and also of the fact that Jamia Masjid observed 2-minute silence also on Friday on 25th itself?
I think that is an eye-opener for each and everybody. Whosoever is at the helm of the affairs, I think this is an eye-opener. Because this is for the first time, and this is an historic step that has been taken by Mirwaiz Umar Farooq in his sermon, that he asked the people to observe 2-minute silence for these victims who were innocent victims over there. We are also with every Kashmiri, every household. They are with the victims. We are with them, and we are always with them. We don't know whatever the matter is, whatever the concern, whatever the security purpose, other things are. We are not concerned with that. But we are concerned with that. It's not. Yesterday, one video was also roaming on the social media that there is a kind of what I can say, a perception within the Kashmiri community, within the Kashmiri business community, that they just want tourists for their business. It's not only like that.
You see tourists as your own family member because you've opened gates for them. There was free auto rides also given.
If it is possible for you to see my Facebook handle, you can find out how many times I condemned this. I myself, how many times I condemned it.
Also because you're on TV as well. you're saying that you condemn it, and we clearly understand the situation. And also, it's a good thing that there are so many tourists who are coming, who are flocking. That is because I know for a fact that we've been showing that how Kashmiri locals are coming here to condemn this incident. You've also marked the day as a black day also, where all the shopkeepers even came on the streets to protest. Yes, black shirts, black ribbons, black flags to condemn this very incident. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us. We'll also be showing you some more shops also that is there, and these are these rich visuals also that we'd like to show you that gives you a perspective, that gives you an understanding of this very place. Before I wrap up, I'd like to show you this very iconic place, that is the Jamia Masjid, which is also a very iconic place in Srinagar itself. So yes, this was my report where I attempted to speak to the locals here, to speak to the shopkeepers here, or of what they feel, because clearly they've said yes, the tourists should be come, and they welcome the tourists to come here and to see Kashmir and to see Jamia Masjid, because it is a big step also, like they said that it is a big steps taken where Jamia Masjid for the first time observed a 2-minute silence for the tourists also who unfortunately lost their lives. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, signing out with camera person Ankush for NewsX Kashmir.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.